When a globally renowned company like Marsh McLennan steps forward for a cause, it creates a ripple effect of inspiration. In a heartwarming and high-impact CSR initiative, the employees of Marsh McLennan India came together to assemble 120 solar lamps that will brighten the lives of underprivileged children in rural areas. These lamps will not only bring clean energy to homes without electricity, empower young minds to study after sunset, chase dreams, and build a better tomorrow. This was not just a workshop. It was a movement of light, a moment of purpose, a message of sustainability. We are incredibly proud to have collaborated with a visionary company like Marsh McLennan to turn this idea into action. Isn't it time your organization took a step towards real impact? If you want to conduct this solar lamp assembly CSR workshop for your employees and be part of a powerful change,